Welcome everybody, my name is Kevin and I will be playing a horror game. As you can see, it's called Paranormal. It's a game in Roblox. And I'm gonna play it alone. And if I get scared, the video ends. Alright? Do this. Welcome to Paranormal. Welcome, look for glowing objects to find key items. E to interact with the highlighted items. Q to drop equipped item. And left mouse button to use equipped item. For your information, matatakotin po ako. Uh, I really don't like horror movies or anything horror. Okay, yung count ko ng natakot yung talagang mapapasigaw ako ah. Yun, wala na. Oh. Ah. Oh, no, no, no. I don't like that. No. Ayoko na. Can I crouch? Yes, I can crouch. Uh, what? What am I looking for though? I can crouch here. Yeah. Ayoko nito. Huh? Boss. Yan, boss. Ayoko ng ganyan. E. No, no. Ayoko yan. Left. Left mouse click to equip. Use equip. Ah! Kumbaga, mamamatay ako. Okay. Okay. Sige. Let's go. Make sure to save flashlights, battery, bottom left corner. I don't like this. Wala bang weapons dyan? Wala. Like, wala talaga. Basement door. How the F for flashlight? Yeah. Flashlight tayo, boy. Blow out all the candles in the living room. Tanggalin mo natin yung flashlight. Right. Right. Ah. I can run! Nice! Oh shit! My sprint meter. Oh no! Oh no! Ano yun? Ay, ito, pinto. Saan pa ba? Ooh, where's it? Where's that? Where's the phone? Hello? What the fuck?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes? Narinig
Hey,
kita.
sweetheart, it's Aunt Nora. I just wanted to check in to see how you and your sister are doing. Listen, don't stress too much, okay? Eleanor's going to be fine. We'll all head to the doctor first thing tomorrow.
Kupal ka, Aunt Nora.
Oh, and your parents should be back.
No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Hindi pa ako sumisigaw, hindi pa ako tumitili. Yung gulat sa akin dapat pag ano, pag jump scare, okay? I hope. Oh no. Oh no. Find a way into the garage to restore power. How? Phone drawer. No, that's locked. Okay. Ewan nito. DVD player. Gawin naman man lang nilang infinite yung battery ng flashlight. Ah? No. But, ito okay. Oh no. Oh no! Oh! Okay. Okay. Okay na eh. Ah, okay. I'm good. I'm good. Very good. You know, bathroom key, bang bang. You know, battery pa oh. How can we use the battery? Yeah! Ammo? May baril? May baril. I would be very pissed kung hindi na-record yung audio ko dito. Okay, so... Oh! Kids bathroom. Okay. Yun, bang bang, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Bilis, bilis, boy, bilis. Okay. Okay, we good. Oh, yung ano pa. May battery pa tayo. 9mm ammo. Why would I use a 9mm? 9mm. 9mm. Bakit yun? Bakit ganun? Ano po ba meron dito? Pwede dito? Ano ba? What? Ayun! Dapat may heart rate monitor dito eh. Pero parang nakita kinakabahan talaga ako. Ano to? What's this? Hindi ko mabasa. Okay, sorry. I'll take that. Ano to? Hydrochloric acid. Patok ko to sa kanya. Kung ano man yung nandyan. What's this? Ah, it's blocked. Oh! I can enter through here. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Two distinct orders of demonic entities are recorded. Though often spoken of as one, they are not equal in role, authority, or reach. The first are known as the sovereigns. They are the highest rank observed entities of command and origin. The sovereigns do not act directly upon our world. They issue will, not motion. All demonic action recorded may be traced in some form back to sovereign authority. Beneath them are the vassals. These entities enact sovereign command within lesser spaces. Though subordinate vassals must not be mistaken for weakness, their limitation is one of authority, not strength. Both orders are believed to reside far below the surface of our world, near the Earth's core, yet not within our physical space. They occupy a separate layer of existence, adjacent, aligned, but unreachable by ordinary means. Their distance is vertical, not measurable by human instruments. That's fucking bullshit. Alright? Alright. May gabay tayo ni Lord. Okay. May 9mm tayo. We just have to find a gun somehow. What's this? Oh. What? What? How? E? Ah. What? Land on the red dot on the... Ah! I'm dumb. Easy. Easy. Easy, baby. Alright. There we are.
Uh,
Who?
Nathan?
Who? Sino yun?
Is that you?
You know? Yung kapatid ko.
I've been holding on all week. Tonight feels different.
Don't worry,
Taking
sis. I got
more
you.
and more control away from me.
I got you, sis. I got a garage key. I got 9mm ammo.
Okay. Listen carefully. You have to go to the neighbor.
What? Why?
Call Father Bennett.
Why?
His number's in the phone book.
Why?
He'll know what to do.
What do you mean?
Once you do that, please, leave the house.
No.
Don't come back until everything settles down. Promise me.
No. We gotta rescue you, sis. But put that shit in. Don't worry, sis. Ooh. I got you, sis. Don't worry. Sisters. Nah, I ain't going there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Oh, I will survive. Yeah, yeah. Come to the garage. I can help you. Fuck no. Is it the garage? No, that's the basement. Where the hell's the garage? Oh, there it is. You weren't there before. Andiyan ka ba kanina? Okay. This ain't no garage. What the fuck? Bukas. Oh, shit. Oh, no. We good? Okay. Oh, let there be light. Look for items in the garage. Yes! Yes, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. No, you son of a... Ano to? Come on. Come on. No. Padlock. Ammo. Give me more. Bilis, 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 Kevin. Bilis, 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 bilis. There's mannequins. Fuse box. Basement door. Vintage radio. Off natin yan. Huwag ka nakakaba ka. Ano to? Items. Ano pa ba? Yun lang? Ooh, what's this? Ammo. Give me gun! Give me gun! Okay, pinapaasan niyo ako eh. Pinapaasan niyo ako. Wag ganun. DVD disc. Use the DVD disc. Where? The radio? How? Here? No. Where? Oh, up! Alright. I'm fucking dope. Oh yeah, that bitch moved. That bitch moved. Ooh!